Excuse me on the tier. Dispensa la tiro. Program time.
Yo, mis saludos y respetos. Mich Panseco Tlok Teshpa Full Black. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. For those of you who don't know, I'm Manny, the Jaguar Paul. Justo. Welcome to the channel, homies. Check this out. Well, today I got a little surprise through the mail. Don't we all like surprises? You know, real quick, I was one of the moleheads that didn't like all against online shopping. But guess what? This pandemic got me to like it. Ever since we went on lockdown, bored at home, not able to go out and, go and get your own personal, shoes and hats and jerseys. I picked up the phone and started, online shopping. So this dinosaur became a little modern, you could say. And I could tell you that now I'm used to it. Don't get me wrong, I still go and, to the store and like to shop around here and there. But sometimes I'm just more comfortable at home. Hey, my boy, get your cola. What are you doing, my boy? Hey, everybody, this is Dodger, my husky. A little bit over a year. He's going on 2 already. Making a mess right here. Anyway, so, long story short, just wanted to let you guys know how excited now I get when I hear the doorbell. My wife or my nephew, we run down the stairs and hey, it's almost like Christmas every day now. Looking forward to opening this package or any package. So today I ordered some a shoe compartment or a hat compartment. You could use it for either or. So just want to kind of go through it with you guys and put it together. And maybe in the future, if you guys are interested, you guys could order your own. So, you guys ready? Get your pisto, your little churrito, whatever it is that might relax you right now. I'm gonna rest yo. You guys need some energy. You guys need a little wake up, little motivation. Vámonos pues. Motivation, come on, Dodger. Ooh. Motivation, my boy, motivation. Get him, my boy, get him. I'm just check this out, man. I just got my boy too. This collar, glow in the dark. I forgot the brand, but it's pretty cool. Look at Dodger, little big, but he looking fancy. You looking fancy or G'd up, my boy? Come on. Look at you. Look at my boy. Dodger, why you spoiled? Say hi. That's right. Reason I named him Dodger, he was born like a little bit before we won the World Series, 2020. So when we got him, I was like, his name is Dodger. Yeah, I couldn't have no other name but Dodger. Yes, sir. Yo, here we go. Want to send a shout out to Modern JP. That's the vendor I went through, I believe through Amazon, and I found them, and they seem to have good prices, and hey, maybe not the best quality. Here we go. Hey. where we at. On 4. The piece that has a little crease on it. So this one goes on top now. So we're gonna start from one corner to the next. Hey, this is Ginger, everybody. Say hi, Ginger. Yeah. Who's this?
That skinny one, huh?
Good boy. Well, here we go. Before we were really interrupted. Well, we brought all the panels together, the side ones, the top, the bottom. Voila! Open sesame. You. There we go. Abracadabra. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. love and respect, homie. You. Well, this is my little tutorial. Those of you who have hats, collect hats. This is a good way to keep them nice and clean. Sometimes when we got backyards or front yards full of dirt, or even grass, dirt accumulates over time. They get dusty. Don't get me wrong. Right before you take them out, get dressed up, gotta hit them with a brush. Make sure you get all that dust, all that hair. If you have pets, you know what I'm talking about. But always stay sharp, stay clean. Just a little demonstration in how to keep your hats and little gangster hats, or whatever you want to call them. Hats. Anyhow, you about to know what I'm talking about. With that said, I'm gonna get ready to get on this Dodger game. I just thought to show a little example in how to go about keeping your hats clean. If you collect hats or brims, ya sabes, homie. So this is Manny. Mucho gusto to all. It's a pleasure. Thanks for giving me some time. And with that said, let's go out with the bang bang motivation. It's so that's right, homie. Keep it gangster. Much love and respect. Let's go with the bang bang.
Count time, cuenta.